See, this stainless steel sheet is very, very rough. I think it is a scrap because lot of oxide generated on the stainless steel sheets, and even the acid over pickling patch and water scale also are loaded on the surface due to aging process. Let's see what is the result from Valgro Heiser DB32 model. Very smooth and silent working process. See, what is your expression about this demonstration?
Yeah, it's a very good finish. Maybe we try one more pass, see if we can get a little bit more of the metal off of there.
Yeah. Because during the insert before is very rough and very corroded.
Yeah.
So in one pass almost 80% is removed.
Absolutely.
So if we can use a second pass, then maybe the result is different. So if we can use prime grade of the stainless steel sheet, hope it is one pass is perfectly result.
Yeah, normally that would be the case. Yeah. This was very, very scaled up, much more than normal. Yeah, that's great. Good.
Yeah. Really good, really good
finish.
Good.
It's very simple operation. Just feed the material and then pick it up on the backside.
Right. So maybe your opinion is if the seat surface is not good, then only two passes required for the desired result.
Right. Yeah, normally I think it would just be a one pass. You know, our customers that are using the machine now, they typically are able to do this in one pass because their material's not so damaged.
Right,
but if it is damaged, then you just run it through a second time. They're very acceptable. And what type of brush does this use right now?
We use in this brush a Scotch-brite brush with coarser grade to finer grade, depend upon the client need. And if you want sandblasting effect or the rough surface for any kind of the powder coating or painting or anodizing, then we can suggest the sandwich brush. And Valgro have the expertise for the brush manufacturing also. So customer get 100% success once we offer them the turnkey solutions from the Valgro.
So you make your own brushes?
Yeah. We make our own brush, and it is 30-year-old company, and our brush is exporting worldwide. And the brush is specialty brush, not a regular brush. So Valgro is in specializations.
Yeah, very good. So, and then I understand that when you design these machines, it was from the aspect of being the brush manufacturer, knowing how the brush operates, then you can design a system that works appropriately with the brushes that you design, right?
Perfect. Because the main heart is the brush. If brush is not proper, then machine can't do work. But if brush is proper and machine is not perfect, then you will not get the result. So we have the good combination of the brush and brushing machine. This is the advantage of the Valgro. And third one thing is our expertise. I am metal finishing expert since last 30 years working. So customer always get the result in first attempt. Thank you. Thank you, client.